Okay, hello everybody. In this video, I am going to solve this numerical. This numerical is from NEET 2021. And guess what? This is related to principle of moment. Principle of moment. Clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment that we have already learned in ICSC class 10th. Chapter number 1, force. So class 10th student can solve this numerical easily. This is from NEET 2021. Whatever you learn in school is a base for tomorrow. In the higher classes, you will learn the same things again. NEET 2021, let's solve this numerical. Let me read. Uniform rod of length 200 centimeters. So length is 200 centimeter. This end will be at 200 centimeter. Uniform rod means center of gravity will be at the middle, at the center, in the middle. That's at 100 centimeter. CG, center of gravity. Whole weight of the rule will act through this point, center of gravity. Mass 500 gram means mass of the rule is 0.5 kg. Okay. Balance at wedge placed at 40 centimeter mark. Fulcrum they have kept at 40. A mass of 2 kg suspended from the rod at 20 centimeter. So they have suspended 2 kg at 20 centimeter. Unknown mass m at 160 centimeter. We have to calculate the value of this mass m. It's based on principle of moment. Clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment. So now let me show you. This 2 kg will provide anti-clockwise moment, while these two, mass of the rule and this unknown mass, will produce clockwise moment. So sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment, principle of moment. So let me write the formula. Let me call it F1. R1 perpendicular distance from the fulcrum. For this let me call it F2 R2 plus this will be F3 R3. Sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. What is the formula for moment? F into R, force into perpendicular distance. Force will be weight of these masses 2 kg, 2 kgf, m into g, and for this 0.5 kgf. Since g is common on both the sides, it will get cancelled, so I can write in terms of mass. M3 will be this unknown mass, so let me write it m only over there. So now let's put the values in this formula. M1 2 kg, R1 is the perpendicular distance from the fulcrum. Fulcrum at 40, it is suspended at 20, gap is of 20 centimeter. M2 weight of the rule, mass of the rule. Perpendicular distance from the fulcrum, this gap 100 minus 40, that will be 60. So fulcrum is at 40, weight is situated at acting through center of gravity at 100 centimeter, gap is of 60. So I put 60 here. M and this one, and its perpendicular distance from the fulcrum. Fulcrum is at 40, this is suspended at 160. So the gap is of 120 centimeter. So let me put it here. Perpendicular distance of this mass is 120 centimeter. Let's solve this. This will be 40. This will be 30. 0.5 into 60, 30. M into 120. Now bring 30 on this side. 40 minus 30, that will be 10. This is 0 on both the side will get cancelled, and bring this will be 1 upon 12 kg. So which option is correct here? Correct here. First one, mass of this unknown value m is 1 upon 12 kg. Based on principle of moment we have learned in class 10th, and same thing we are learning in higher classes. We just solved NEET 2021. Class 10th ICSE student can easily solve these type of numerical. So when you are class 10th, basically you are preparing for NEET competitive exams like NEET and JEE. So focus well and always stay one step ahead.